city hums beneath the moon. The street shines.
I got this A-line midi length dress from the TikTok shop. It is a spandex blend. Got a size large, built-in pockets. I really do like this midi length too. I tend to go for maxis or mini dresses. It comes with lining as well underneath, so you don't have to worry about this dress being see-through. Thicker fabric. I feel like it has some weight to it, so I wouldn't say this is lightweight, but I still feel like this is a cute option for this time of year, especially with the white. A lot of people this time of year are looking for options for graduation and brunches and day parties and stuff like that. I feel like it fits me very well and it looks pretty on me. And if you want your waist to be snatched, it has these strings in the back to adjust your waist. Very deep V, so keep that in mind. If you're trying to be modest, you can wear a tank or a camisole underneath. Wearing a deep V bra to accentuate the deep V of the neckline. I have it linked in. This dress from the TikTok shop, and I have to say, it's very pretty, but I had to fight for my life to get my boobs in here. I'm like a 36D. I can wear a size large in dresses, but it does not accommodate large boobs. So keep that in mind. If you are busty, go up a size. Put the zipper on the side, corset style back to it so you can, adjust it to match your waist. Beautiful A-line dress. I need an extra large in mine. It has functional buttons only in the bust area. I had the buttons buttoned up, but my God, that was a lot of work. But I think this is so sweet and like girly. Really, really pretty. It's a very sweet spring summer dress. This is pretty enough for me to go back and get a size up. But if you have a smaller chest, then you can, go with your true size. I couldn't even fit a bra under here because it was that tight. So I'm wearing the cakes. I just have them kind of tucked in here. You guys, this cute like boho dress for the summertime. It's a maxi dress. I'm not wearing a bra, but wearing the cakes. You just kind of slide them in there and they kind of round you out without wearing a bra. So it does have cutouts on the sides. So you can have it lower on your back if you want to, but I'm not going to do that. I'm raised up more so it's more closed in the back. And I'm just wearing mine with some gold slides here. But I do want to mention, it was very difficult to put this on. It was like a pain to put this on. It's my right size. It's, it fits me well, but it was a pain to put on. I do think for accessibility, they need some zippers on this dress, but I know this is a Fashion Nova dress. It's very affordable, but they could have put a zipper or something in here. If you are interested in this dress, I'll have it linked for you guys. Shop.